Hi, my name's Steve Wilkinson. I'm the president of the Flexo Factor. Today I'd like to talk to you about wipes and sponges for cleaning of your printing plates, your Anilox rollers, press frames and so forth. That might seem a very simple solution. The answer most people give me, and the answer that I see most times around the printing room, is good old-fashioned rags. Well, they have been around a long time, but not only are they unhygienic, on and around the press they can be quite dangerous, so you can get snagged and pulled into a nip with a rag. But they don't particularly hold solution or the ink very well, and obviously there's a cost to the environment and a cost to purchasing them, and a safety issue for the operator. So what do we recommend? A couple of products. We have a couple of melamine eraser sponges. Seem very simple, and they are very simple, but they do the job. They hold the cleaning product, they whip the ink away from the surface that you're cleaning, and they're very, very effective. We have two options: a sandwich sponge, which allows you to use both sides. You can then rinse it out. It can be reused a few times. And then our scrubby sponge, which has a plastic scrubby surface to one side and a melamine to the other. You can use either or. Generally use the scrubby side for dry, thickened ink. Very, very effective. And finally, our other product, our newest product, is our wipe, our press clean wipe. It's a texturized, pre-moisturized cloth, extremely strong and very durable, able to remove inks from any surface. Very good at helping you, the operator, to clean ink from his skin, regardless of whether it be his arms or his hands or face and so forth. And because it has a moisturiser, it actually moisturises the skin itself. So very, very effective for cleaning all surfaces. Very simple to use. Can be used for heavy cleaning as well as light cleaning, and for cleaning of the skin as well. When you've used it, you will find that you feel that your skin is moisturised. We strongly recommend it as opposed to no product, no moisturisers. Operators have a tendency to forget their gloves, and so if they do, they're actually moisturising the skin at the same time. It has a texturised surface, so that helps to remove dirt and grime and grease and so forth from the surface. So either of our sponges for general application and a wipe for removing inks and grease and grime from any surface as well. And you will find that cleaning is much easier than with conventional rags and much more cost effective.